Hello there, the Aging Gamer with you, and this is DIY with Tag. As I mentioned, I'm the Aging Gamer. That's my name on YouTube and Twitch, as you see below here. You can follow me at the Aging Gamer on YouTube. So you can call me Tag for short. About to take you through a DIY video. So I hope it helps. I hope it saves you some money. But two very important things before we start. One is always do your research, and two is be safe. So do those two things before you embark on any of these projects that you see. But I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you out. And if it does, hit that subscribe button for me up top. If you have more questions or how-tos, hit me in the comments down below. I look forward to seeing y'all in more videos.
Hey Tag family, coming at you with another DIY project. This one here is the fire pit we put in. Partially deconstructed this section here just to give you some context for it. But this is a project that cost me under 150 bucks. 62 of these blocks in total for those of you trying to make it. It's 62 of these blocks. I got them at a Menards, but I'm sure locally whatever stores you got, home garden stores, will have some variety of these. But 62 blocks in all. You'll see as we get closer here, you'll see at the bottom we've got the bottom two rows are matching. So in other words, I stacked them as they match, same side sticking out. Then the next row, I reversed it. That's just what the back side looks like. And then again, the top row matching again. So did that for a couple reasons. One, because I kind of thought it looked nice. Gives it a little different look as opposed to just being symmetrical all the way around. But the other thing, and probably equally as important, is it gives it some air holes, room to breathe. The fire needs air to breathe, and so you'll see throughout, by mismatching that section, we got nice air for that to breathe every step of the way. But the only other thing to note with this is on this end is the high end here. So this, I buried the first row about 3/4. That first row is there about 3/4 into the ground, and then the back side's about a half, just to give it some stability and some strength. So again, partially because this is the high end on my particular fire pit. And then in the middle, we got we put some gravel in there just for drainage purposes. And on the low side of the yard, again, about half buried bricks, and then some holes there just for drainage, just for fun. But that's what it looks like, gang. So another project for you. Hope it helps. If you have any more questions or comments or ideas, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer.